Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we learned about two basic concepts, that is point and line segment. Today we are going to continue with chapter 2, lines and angles from class 6. In this video I will explain two more important topics, line and ray. These are simple but very important concepts in geometry. So watch carefully till the end. Let's start. 2.3 line. Imagine that the line segment A to B, that is AB bar. In the last video we learned about line segment. What is line segment? Line segment is a part of line that is bounded by two distinct endpoints. AB bar is extend beyond A in one direction and beyond B in other direction without any end. If you observe the diagram, first I drawn line segment and I extended directions with A and B. This is a model for a line. Do you think you can draw a complete picture of a line? No. Why? Because a line goes on forever in both directions. It does not have endpoints. A line through 2 points A and B is written as AB. It extends forever in both directions. Sometimes a line is denoted by a letter like L or M. Observe that any 2 points determine a unique line that passes through both of them. So first line segment, it has two endpoints and it is a part of line. So here we have to extend A in one direction, B in another direction. It goes on forever in both directions. Line segment is denoted as AB bar and line is denoted as AB. Now next topic is 2.4 ray. A ray is a portion of line that starts at one point called the starting point or initial point of a ray and goes on endlessly in one direction. The following are some models for a ray. There are three models. The first one is beam of the light from a lighthouse. It is a ray of light from a lighthouse is a narrow beam of light that travels in a straight line. Next one, ray of light from a torch. A ray of light from a torch is a beam of light that shines in a specific direction. Next one, sun rays. A ray of light from the sunrise is a stream of light that travels in straight path from the sun to the earth. Look at the diagram of a ray. 2 points are marked on it. One is the starting point A and the other is point P on the path of the ray. We then denote the ray by AP. Here I shown in the diagram. I hope you understand what is point, line segment, line and ray. Point is a specific location. A line segment is a part of line with two endpoints. A line is a set of points that extends infinitely in two directions. A ray is a line that extends infinitely in only one direction from a single point. Don't confuse in line segment and line. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.